Welcome back to your VPS e-learning class, children. As you all know that yesterday I have completed your exercise A of lesson 4 articles, children. Today I am going to start with your exercise B of the same chapter lesson 4 articles. In this also you have to fill up A and the. Okay. So A and the are the articles you all know. So complete it. First you write down this work in your English language fair copy. Then fill up the blanks according to me as I have filled in the copy. You all have to do the same beta. Okay. So complete it neatly, nicely with blue and black pen. And if you have any confusion, you can ask me in the class group or personally also beta. Okay. So you have to do this work, and after that you can check that you have filled the same A and an and the. No mistake will be there. Okay. And send it to me before 8:30 in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Completed, children, and let's start the video. Class, as you all know, in the previous video I have completed exercise A, children. Today I am going to explain you the exercise B of the same chapter lesson 4 English language beta. Okay. So complete the sentences with a, an or the. In the previous exercise A you have to fill only a and an, but in this you have to fill a and the. So first is Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. This is the rhyming word. You all know this is the poem you have read in the previous classes also, children. So you have to, two blanks are given in this sentence. Jack and Jill went up the hill. You all know that hill is a particular place, na? So you have to put the. And pail is consonant word, consonant sound word. P is there, that's why you put a here. Okay, children. Next is second, dash earth revolves around dash sun. You have to put the because it is a universal truth. Earth is a universal truth. You have to put definite article, so the will be there. The earth revolves around the sun. Okay. Sun is also a universal truth. You all see na sun in the every morning, so you have to put the definite article here. Okay. Anil is an honest man. In this, when we pronounce, it is H will be silent. We pronounce it as a honest. In the pronunciation, O is there, so an will be there. That's why. Okay. Anil is an honest man. Don't put a, it will be wrong. So you have to put an before honest. Okay. It is a vowel sound. That's why when we are pronouncing it, it is coming a vowel sound. Honest. H is silent there. That's why we put an here. Okay. It is clear to you all. Come to the next fourth. Dash bird perched on dash window of my room. So bird, we put a because it is consonant sound word. That's why we put a here. Perched on the window. Window is a particular thing. That's why we put the. Next, I look at the bird lovingly. Okay. Next is the eyes of a cat glow in the dark. So it is a particularly, it is focusing on the eye of a cat. So that's why we put the here. Okay. And cat is again consonant sound, so we put a here. Okay. Next is the French tourist had a great time in India. So French tourist, it is a particular person, that's why we put the here. Okay. Definite article. Next is seventh, Alka, Simi and Karan went for a tour. This is toward, so this is consonant sound word, so we put A here. Next is, my sister reads the Hindu newspaper. It is a particular thing. Hindu newspaper. Particular newspaper. That's why we put the here. Okay. It is a definite article. So we put the. Next, I found a ball that was lost in the bushes while playing. I found a ball means it is a consonant sound word. That's why we put A here. Okay, children. I found a ball that was lost in the bushes while playing. You have to put A here of article. Okay. Next is 10th. Growing old is the natural process. Growing old is the natural process. It is phenomenal truth. That's why we put the definite article. Okay, it is clear to you all. Okay, you all know that you are growing old per day. It is a natural process. That's why we put the here. Growing old is the natural process, children. So we put the article definite here. Okay, complete it neatly, nicely, and send it to me before 8:30, and check that you have written completely correctly. Okay, so thank you.